back to another episode of 7-Figure Product Series. In this YouTube exclusive series, we are going behind the scenes to break down what 6, 7, and even 8-figure brands are doing online. In fact, today we're actually covering a 9-figure brand, and there's not too many of those that we have here on the channel. So the whole purpose of this is to show you what successful brands and successful entrepreneurs are doing, because I firmly believe that success leaves clues. Before we dive into how to find successful products, what this product looks like, in fact, I literally order the product and we're looking at the product live together. We're also gonna look at how much is it generating, how much is it making, how much is the competition making, and we're gonna look for ways to improve this product. All of this and more absolutely free. All I ask for you guys to do is a few simple things. Number 1, hit that subscribe button. Number 2, click that notification bell. And number 3, if you find any value whatsoever, like this video as it helps the channel out immensely. So here we have a product that all of us use, well, I hope that you're using, trash bags. Now, when we're creating a brand, one of the most sustainable business models is to find a product that's gonna sell 24/7, 365, regardless of the economy, regardless of the time period, regardless of the season, no trend, so on and so forth. And I think this is one of the staple products, to say less, of a product that will sell until the end of time, and it's trash bags. Now, we're gonna be looking at Hefty. Now, usually I don't do huge brands here on the channel for 7-Figure Product Series. We like diving deep into the underdogs. However, I've done some research and I wanna show you guys a little bit about behind the scenes as to Hefty and their other brands. So before we get into the actual product and the history about this actual brand, that's a 9-figure per year brand, let's dive into the numbers and let's see how much money you can make with trash bags. All right, so looking at the product discovery report, and by the way, our team creates these product discovery reports. If you want this one and all of the previous ones for all the previous 7-Figure Product Series videos and all of the future ones, click the link down below. My team has put that together and it's absolutely free. Here you can see that the average revenue for search term trash bag is generating over $306,000 gross per month. The average net's a whopping $92,000 net profit. The average annual revenue is $3.6 million, and the average sales price is just at $16.47. Now, moving down to the product summary underneath search terms for trash bags, you can see that the average daily sales is over 10,000, the average daily units sold is over 600, the average monthly sales is 306,000 approximately, and the average monthly units sold are 18,576, and the average product cost is coming in at just $5. Now, if you ever wonder how we come up with data to identify how much these products are selling, how much competitors are selling, what is the average reviews, when's the first time this product's been selling, has this product been selling, and more, we use a software called Jungle Scout. It's one of the oldest softwares and the one that we've been using personally for years. Those guys are right here in Austin and have been awesome enough to give you guys an exclusive discount to get the lowest price on the software suite of tools. All you have to do is click the link down below or visit the link on the screen, discount on junglescout.com. Now, looking at the Jungle Scout extension, here you can see all of the average metrics or the key performing indicators or KPIs that we discussed earlier. You have average monthly sales, average revenue, average price, average number of ratings, and you can get so much more information, like the average amount of rating reviews, the first date available, what is the monthly revenue, daily sales, monthly sales, price points, the brands, you name it, you can pretty much do it with this software. Now, moving along from volume and ratings, let's look into keywords. Now, I like keywords for 2 reasons. Number 1, you need them to launch and to scale your product via SEO or search engine optimization. This is the keyword density on your listing. So your title, your description, your bullet points, the back-end SEO is gonna be the keywords that you put on the back of the listing that no one can see, but the Amazon A10 algorithms crawlers can see. This is gonna help your keyword placement or your ranking on Amazon search engine or search results for your product. But I also like looking at keywords, primarily search volume, to identify, has this product been selling? Is it selling decent? And most importantly, will it continue to sell? So I like looking at keyword volume for those 2 things. And to take it up a notch, we can look at search volume. Now, you can go to Google Trends to identify seasonality, whether it's full-time seasonal products or semi-seasonal products. We also use this to identify trends. We want nice, sustainable products that have been selling, are selling, and will continue to sell. And here you can see since, well, it says since 2019 on this chart, but probably a lot longer than that, trash bags have been in demand and they have been being bought every single day. So that's a good indicator for this niche, this category, this industry, that it's been around, it is around, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Moving right along onto the research strategy that our team used to find this product. Pretty simple. Average monthly units sold over 15,000. Minimum average monthly price $15. Exclude top brands checked. and the category is in health and household. Now, everybody's search criteria is gonna be a little bit different. So many people only focus on one thing, and that's revenue, but you may know how much you wanna make, but is that product actually a product that you can afford to source and launch? And do you have the risk tolerance needed to actually launch that product? Those are the million-dollar questions, and when you are specific, you can have prolific results. Now, last but far from least, this product itself is doing over $900,000 every single month. It has over 60,000 reviews. It's ranked number 16 on the first page, and it's a selling price average of $14.96, and it's coming in at just under 3.7 pounds. Now, if you think this is hefty, wait till you see the profits. Now, as previously mentioned, guys, not only for this episode of 7-Figure Product Series, but all previous episodes and all future episodes, if you want all of the data as well as this product discovery report, all you have to do is click the link down below, opt in, and you get all of that for free. Now, enough of the numbers. Let's dive into the actual listing, and I want to give you a little bit of information that you probably didn't know about this brand, Hefty, that's probably going to help you guys out a lot, and then we're going to rip this open. Now, moving right along to the A+ content, down at the bottom of the listing here, you can see again, they're utilizing the celebrity again. Not everybody can get a celebrity, so you don't need to do this, but if you do have a connection or you do go through an agency, this is something that will help with brand dominance or brand notoriety or authority, okay? Moving right along, 6-in-1 protection. They talk about benefits and features. Always talking about benefits and features are gonna be huge. I like to do the ours versus theirs. Why is ours better? What does ours have that they don't? So on and so forth. That is also very effective. Underneath that, they have some cross promotion of different products. We talk about increasing UPT, which is units per transaction. We talk about increasing ACV, which is average cart value, or the dollar value of the cart being increased by rather adding more of the one product or more of different products. And we've also talked about how to get that frequently bought together, or also products related to or the frequently bought together, and you can do that by offering more additional products inside of your A+ content. Other than that, pretty simple. They're absolutely crushing it. All right, so this is the packaging right here. You have a simple box, bright orange with the branding, with the logo, and here you have perforation, which if you push in on this, you can actually perforate this, lift this, and pull this. You can easily pull the bags directly outside. So if you have a product where there's multiple products in the inside, this could be disposable gloves, whatever it is, think about utilizing these perforation or perforation slot. That way you don't have to just take this out and all the bags become unraveled, so on and so forth. That's very simple and easy as well as effective to do. Taking the bag out, these bags, Hefty, are strong. They smell very, very good. They're very durable. Like, I'm literally pulling on this super hard and it's not ripping. So you do get what you pay for when it comes to the trash bag space, and they figured out that technology. The straps, drawstring straps to tie into clothes as well as to carry, these are also durable. And this fragrance is Arm & Hammer's lavender and vanilla. So it helps keep the odor away, smells good, very strong, easy to use. Outstanding company, 9-figure company. You know what I say, success leaves clues. Now, as a bonus, I've done a little bit of research, and the brand is Hefty, but the company's not Hefty. In fact, the company that owns Hefty is Reynolds Consumer Products, and their annual revenue for 2022 was $3.8 billion, with a B, billion dollars. This is a 9-figure company selling on Amazon, and as you just seen, there are people creating 6- and 7-figure full-time incomes competing against this giant. So there's two big things I want you to take away from that. Number one, it does not matter if there's a giant in the category, you can still make enough money to change your life. Data doesn't lie, it stares you in the eye. Number one. Number two, so many people are struggling with building brands and naming their companies and entity creations and so on and so forth. Your entity does not have to be named after the brand or vice versa, and you can own an entity or a holding company that has multiple brands. For instance, look at LVMFH. If not currently the richest or wealthiest man alive, they own a handful of companies like Louis Vuitton, Dior, Hennessy, Moet, and more. So you can have a brand, you can have a company that owns a collective of brands without it ruining the perception or the notoriety of its brand itself. Huge two things that I want you to take away. And here you can see, going to ReynoldsConsumerProducts.com, Reynolds also owns Reynolds Wraps, Reynolds Kitchens, Hefty brand, Diamond brand, Presto brand, Geosystems brands, Fresh Lock and Slide Right brands, and also Alkin brands. This is a multi-9-figure conglomerate of brands. So you don't have to have just one brand, and you can have different brands under one entity or one company. I hope that that strikes home, and I hope that you got massive value in another episode of 7-Figure Product Series, where our mission and our vision is to help 1 million people with the business model that changed me and my family's life, and that's starting all with one product, because we generally believe at the AMZ formula that you are only one product away. One product can change the game for you, and this is the right channel to help you find that first or next product. Hey, if you're interested, by the way, of starting or growing your online business, down below are some resources, both free and paid, that will help you increase your income, your impact, and influence. If you're new to the channel or you're returning to the channel and you haven't done so, please subscribe, smash that like button, hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every single week when we drop new videos. And most importantly, remember, you're only one product away.